Top-rated pedometers for walking. Many walkers like to measure their progress. A great way of doing that is to use a pedometer. These cost on average between $20 and $40 depending on the features required. Good ones will basic the distance covered, the time taken, the number of steps, and the calories used. Here are our top 3 selections based on customer ratings. At number 1 is the CSX Walking 3D Pedometer. This little gadget costs under $25 and uses tri-axis technology for accuracy. It comes with a good clip and strap, is easy to read, and it is very light in weight. Coming in at number 2 is the Ozeri 4x3 Razor Pocket Pedometer. This one is even cheaper and costs under $20 and it's made in Germany. This one also has an important fat burning measure. And at number 3 is the very popular 3D Tri-Sport Walking Pedometer. This is the most popular choice for many walkers. It is super easy to use and very accurate. For much more detailed reviews, please visit our website by clicking on the link below.